Hello everyone, I'm Mark and welcome to our channel. A friend of mine is restoring a 1969 Dodge Dart convertible, and the dash, he's wanting to add some aftermarket gauges and radio and heater control, and he asked me to machine some adapter plates for him. So this video is going to be the start of us doing that. I'm going to try to get as much in one video as I can, but it's probably going to be in a couple of videos because there's quite a little bit of machining and stuff on this. So let's get started. Okay, so there's three different things I have to do to this dash. One of them is to mount an aftermarket gauge cluster in it. The other one is to mount a climate control buttons for a vintage air. You can kind of see it's a vintage air AC control unit, aftermarket. So what I have to do is I have to make a plate to go on this side and a plate to go on the back side underneath the dash that will fit onto this piece right here. And basically you tighten these screws down and it squeezes it between the dash, and that's what clamps it on there. So I've already done the preliminary measurements on this, and basically what I'm showing is I'm going to have to make two plates that look like this. They're going to be about 7.460 long, 1.437, which is an inch and 7/16 wide, and then it's going to have a cutout in it that's 3.950 overall length and 1.075 width. So let's get started on that. Blow all this stuff off, but my compressor is so loud, if I turn it on, you won't be able to hear anything. I need to build an exhaust system for it to make it quieter. And I'm feeding this direction, so I'm throwing the chips back there so they're not throwing all over me. Taking 200 thousandths of a pass because it's aluminum, it cuts really nice. Take a lot heavier cut. Monster yet. I got ahead of myself there and I slotted it out, and then I realized I didn't go out to inch and a 16th. So my best solution that I have to fix this is take my boring head and just bore it out to inch and a 16th. I went ahead and did the one end just so I'd have my setup and everything, and I'll bother you guys with the setup, but I'll go ahead and show you now what I'm talking about. You can see how I've already got this one bored out. Now I got to do this end, and then I'll come in with an end mill and widen this slot out to inch and a 16th. That's what I meant to do originally, is have a hole in each end and then widen the slot out between it. But once I had the slot in there, of course you can't drill it with a drill because it's going to walk all over the place. So the next best thing, if you don't have an end mill, is a boring head. So I'll go ahead and show you. I got to take it about 4 passes, I think, something like that. So. Taking about 100 thousandths of a pass. And this is a facing boring head, so if I was wanting to face across this surface with a tool, like doing a spot face or something, you get it spinning and you hold this ring, it stays stationary, it goes around, it clicks and turns this dial so many thousandths per revolution. You can set it for, I think, 3 different settings. And you can actually face a surface off, or like if you're machining a counterbore out or something. For right now, I'm just using it as a boring head, so I'm just hand feeding it out about 100 thousandths at a time until I get out to inch and a 16th. Okay, now it should be able to deburr, and that should be it. We'll get them cleaned up here and show you what it looks like. After all that work and hassle, this is the finished product here. You can kind of see how it matches up with the new controller. This piece goes on here, and this piece will go underneath of it, and then when you tighten these screws down, it'll clamp up between the plates here on the dash. So it'll fit in here like this. But I'm gonna have to cut a hole out in this plastic piece to clear all this. But since this isn't the piece I'm actually gonna do, I'm not gonna cut this one. He's gonna bring the other pieces up to me and have me cut those to fit these new parts, and we'll get them all done. So that's pretty much it for this first section. Kind of show you what it's going to look like. It'll go in there like that, and then this will fit down through there like that. And after you get all my dirty fingerprints all over it, it won't look too bad. So as always, thanks for watching. Hit the like and subscribe buttons if you like our channel, and share with a friend. And I'll be back with the second part of this video tomorrow, hopefully. So have a good day. Thanks.